In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a column in Google Sheets on a desktop. Whether you're managing a budget, organizing a project, or just adding more data to your spreadsheet, knowing how to add columns is a vital skill that will save you time and make your work more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheet. It could be a blank one or a spreadsheet you've been working on for quite some time. Either way, once your sheet is open, you'll need to determine exactly where you want the new column to be positioned. Focus on the column headers, represented by the letters at the top of the sheet. Now, select the column letter where you want the new column to appear. This is important because the new column will be inserted relative to the column you select. So, make sure to identify precisely where you want to make this update. After selecting your column, you'll want to right-click on the selected column header. If you're using a mouse, just click the right button. If you're using a trackpad, just a two-finger tap will generally do the trick. This action will open a menu with a variety of options, specifically tailored to customize your spreadsheet. Within this menu, you'll find an option that says Insert one column left or Insert one column right. This is where you decide if the new column should appear to the left or right of the selected column. Depending on your specific needs and where your data is focused, choose the best option for your situation. This decision will help maintain the organization and flow of your data, so take a moment to decide. Once you've made your choice, click on either Insert one column left or Insert one column right. As soon as you make this selection, you'll notice the new column appears immediately in your sheet. This is a seamless update, reflecting Google Sheets' efficient design. Now, you can start entering your data in the freshly inserted column. You can freely adapt it to suit any new entries or information that needs to be recorded. Whether you're adding new formulas, names, dates, or numbers, the option to insert additional columns ensures your data remains comprehensive and up to date. And there you have it. That's how you insert a column in Google Sheets on your desktop. With just a few clicks, you've mastered a simple yet incredibly useful feature that will keep your sheets looking organized and professional. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll become an expert in managing and customizing Google Sheets to support your data-driven tasks and projects. Thank you for watching, and have fun organizing your spreadsheets.